Hello rail fans, and welcome back to a new video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got E319-12 for you. This is an empty coal drag making its way back to Evansville, Indiana from Casey, South Carolina, the Cross power plant there. Once at Evansville, it's going to make its way to the Evansville and Western Railway to go and pick up more coal from the mines in that area. This thing's going to be led up by 3 locomotives. Up front, we're going to get one of the heritage units, the Pittsburgh and Lake Erie 1875. Then we're going to see 3025 and 820. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll be back soon with a new one for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.